NERF Blaster is a toy gun made by Hasbro that fires foam darts, discs, or foam balls. Check out the very best NERF guns money can buy. Number 1, Most Popular. Rampage NERF N-Strike Elite Toy Blaster. The NERF Rampage N-Strike Elite Toy Blaster gives you plenty of bang for your buck. The battery-free blaster is capable of firing darts up to 75 feet, and works alongside the Slam Fire action grip to give you rapid, long-distance firing capabilities. Furthermore, the high-capacity drum holds up to 25 official NERF Elite darts, ensuring you'll see plenty of action before it's time to reload. Load the high-capacity drum with up to 25 Elite darts, and snap it into your Rampage blaster. 2 firing modes give you total control over your rate of fire. Number 2. NERF N-Strike Hyper Fire Toy. For a comfortable, fully automatic, rapid-fire experience on the battlefield, it's hard to look beyond the NERF N-Strike Hyper Fire Blaster. This intimidating-looking device is powered by 4 D-cell batteries to deliver the smooth and fast firing of the 25 darts housed in the removable drum, which clips into the underside of the blaster. With fresh batteries, you'll enjoy firing rates of up to 5 darts per second and distances reaching a maximum of 90 feet. The gun comes with 25 Elite darts in the box. Number 3. NERF Rival Roundhouse XX 1500 Red Blaster. While a pistol-style weapon may, for the most part, limit your magazine size, the NERF Rival Roundhouse XX 1500 Red Blaster strikes a balance that rewards you with greater maneuverability on the battlefield. The blaster offers a 15-round capacity in the form of 5 integrated magazines that hold up to 3 rounds each. For in-use comfort, the pistol sports a large, ergonomic handle, while the spring-loaded firing mechanism can launch rounds at a velocity of up to 90 feet per second. Number 4. NERF Longstrike Modulus Toy Blaster. As the name suggests, the Longstrike NERF Modulus Toy Blaster was made for those on the battlefield who prefer to go about their business from afar. This customizable gun is supplied with removable elements, including a bipod for solid, stable shooting, a scope for greater precision, and a barrel extension for a heftier feel in hand. The gun also uses a bolt-action mechanism to propel the darts one by one and comes with 3 clips and 18 official NERF Modulus Elite darts, ensuring you're well-stocked. Number 5. NERF Modulus Regulator Toy. If you like the idea of customizing your weapon to the situation or opponent you're facing, definitely consider the NERF Modulus Regulator. This fully customizable, battery-powered blaster comes with several attachments, including a swivel handle, a storage stock, and 2 different barrel scopes, allowing you to fit your gun to your needs. It also offers 3 modes of firing, which include single fire, burst fire, and continuous fire. It's also supplied with 2 12-dart clips as well as 24 Modulus Elite darts, and handily includes a built-in indicator light to let you know when your clip is empty. Number 6. NERF Ultra Pharaoh Blaster. The NERF Ultra Pharaoh Blaster is another well-proportioned, mid-range blaster that means business. The bolt-action reloading mechanism ensures you feel every round and makes it feel like you're really in a conflict. When fired, each of the rounds in the 10-dart removable clip can reach distances up to 120 feet, meaning your enemies will likely be in range long before they even think about firing at you. Additionally, this unique piece includes attractive gold accents in the design, and comes with special edition gold NERF Ultra darts for a complete look. Number 7. NERF N-Strike Elite Rhino-Fire Blaster. With its dual 25-dart ammo drums, the NERF N-Strike Elite Rhino-Fire Blaster is capable of firing off a maximum of 50 darts before you need to reload. Assisted by a motorized mechanism, this means you'll have plenty of time to take out your enemy before being empty ever becomes a concern. Alternatively, for a different approach, hold your finger down and allow the 6 D-cell, battery-powered device to spray fire all over the show, either from the handheld or tripod-mounted arrangements, depending on your preference. Number 8. NERF Rival Phantom Core Hades 18-6000. The NERF Rival Phantom Core Hades 18-6000 is an intimidating, large-capacity shooter that is ideal for backyard battling. And while it doesn't feature a motorized firing mechanism, you will find an ergonomically designed pump-action handle that lets you fire, pump, and reload in a near-instant action. Add this to the impressive 60-round capacity, and you'll have plenty of say on the battlefield. Plus, like many other models in the rival range of NERF weapons, this shooter comes with 2 indicator flags to ensure you can always tell friend from foe when the heat is on.
Thanks for watching the video.